Hey guys, just welcome once again to my YouTube channel Pro Build. So in today's class, I'm going to teach you this part. Actually, this is hybrid modeling, and no hybrid modeling in the sense it's a combination of solid plus surface modeling. So surface modeling is very important. Learning solid modeling is alone cannot be. It cannot be much useful. uh, some kinds of intrinsic parts has to be made in surface modeling, then it shall be converted into solid. So it will be very useful if you learn hybrid modeling. So by using that modeling technology, I'm going to teach you how to make this part. Actually, this part I'm going to make solid, and this part I mean I'm going to change into surface, and I'm just going to combine to get this art. So I will start with this part. Here they've given a skeleton that is 56 in length and 78. Okay, I'm going to choose this front plane and go for extrude. Okay, switch off the plane and mark the center line for making it symmetric. Now I'm going for the drawing. Here you can find a 56 length line, and that is going here up to 78, and the inside thickness is actually 1.5, which is given here. uh, I'm going to draw entire profile, and I'm going to offset it inside. Okay, so draw a line first, just make it symmetric and change this to 56. And this one I'm going to connect very vertically and change this to 78, and it is going horizontally a small bit. It's going up. Here you can find 36, and its height from here to here I need to calculate. From this center to the bottom surface is actually 1710. So since it's having 15 radius, I'm going to add this 117 plus 15 to get the topmost clearance from bottom. So if I add, it's going to be 132, and this length is actually 36. So I'm going to draw a line here. So it has gone to symmetry. I'm going to draw here 36, and from here this is going to be 132, and all the way down I'm going to connect it this side and even this side. So just follow the signs so that it becomes automatically constrained. Now it has formed entirely the correct zone. Now I'm going for offset of 1.5 mm. So I'm going to offset, just go for loop, select any one side. So it's going inside, so I'm going to give plus 1.5, and so just make sure you connect this point. So just delete this point and corner it. So just corner, go for corner. Sorry, this hasn't come correctly. Just go for corner, select these both lines to get connected. Now it is completely constrained, so I'm going for extrusion. Here I'm going for mid extrusion here, and you can find here it is 48, but I'm going to do for 60 since I'm going to uh, just make hybrid modeling, so I can put up any extrusion level I want. So I'm putting it as 60. So this is the part I obtained, and switch on the plane. Here you can find uh, a slope taper is going to take place here. So I'm going to draw that profile here. So choose this top plane and go for extrude once again. Just make it into 2D sketch. Just click this horizontal line, right click, section orientation, set vertical reference. Now switch off this to hidden line and switch off the plane for getting this better view, and take this reference, all possible references. Now I'm going once again here. Actually I have taken, the full clearance is 132, but from here I need to offset a center line stating to draw this circle. So I'm going to draw one center line. From here it is going to be 15, since I'm going to draw a circle. So my circle is going to be at this next, so stating that it should be very clear, and I'm going to draw one circle just touching this point. So this is actually 15. Now I'm going to connect a line all the way down, and it is going here 48, and it is going upwards, and actually its height is completely missing, so I'm going to assume as 53. So from here I'm going to draw a line. It is actually 48. Oh sorry, it's going outside. So let me change this point. So draw a circle connecting here. Now just come correctly. Now here I'm going to draw one straight line. And going to have one tangent here. You can find this is 53 as set. So let's go for delete segment, delete all unwanted part. So this is the obtained technology. So what I'm going to do is sketch. So I'm going to convert this to change to edges. Go for symmetric. Now instead of going into solid, I'm going to choose surface, so that it becomes surface, then click OK. So this is the part that I got. Now I'm going to teach you one new command. Select the surface part, and just go for solidify. Here I'm going to remove this material accordingly, for which I'm going to remove material, and then for this flip this tool direction, so that the part what you need will come exactly as in the diagram. So this is the part that we have got, right? So as per this, this diagram, and it has got correctly. Now I'm going for this C bore hole. You can find the major circle diameter is 20, and this minor is 14, and its height, you can see here, this is 1.5 is its height. So actually I made one small mistake. Instead of making 4, instead of making 4, I've made into 1.5. I'm going to change this to 4, so that my entire structure gets changed. Now here I'm going to put up a hole. So select the surface. So I'm going to put here one clip, and this to the bottom plane. So from bottom it's going to be 117, and another is going to be aligned 170, Another is going to be aligned. Sorry, this is not aligned. We're going for offset of 5 mm. This is minus 5 mm. This side 5 mm. Yeah. And in simple standard, go for this counter bore, and in shape I'm going for 20, and smaller is going to be 14. This is going to be 1.5, and click sorry, and here I'm going to select up to the surface. This is going to be my surface, and click OK. Now click this hole and go for 3D mirror, select this plane and click OK. That's it, my hole is ready now. And another thing is that you can find one smaller, and another hole here of dia 30. So I'm going to place it here, another hole, so just place an hole here, just plug it inside, go for placement, get aligned, and its hole is 30. Just click OK. So my part is ready. Now I'm going for view, change this view to metal, standard metals, change this color. So my part is ready. Now finally I need to give some round. Here they have given R6, so I'm going to make everything round. So here is R6, and here this point, this point. So this is the part as needed. So thank you for seeing my video. So please do subscribe. I'm going to discuss all tough models, so it will be very useful for your career also. So please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video.